I'm going hiking in Pulau Ubin. See, I'm here. My friends is there. You can see that we're going down. Yeah, and then there's young people here going cycling. One going down. This is like an old house. Going down. Going down already. No need to cycle. No needs the bike. See the houses here. See the houses. Where it's already 12:20 and I have already 4,321 steps. Oh, the Chinese cemetery. It's going there, Chinese cemetery. Going there. There is Chinese cemetery. Maybe at the time of the World War. There's no history, just like Chinese cemetery there. Chinese cemetery. So I will not go to Chinese cemetery anymore. Just go down. Oh, so many like this going down. So fast here. Baka dito yung time no na accident na going down. Kaya ayaw ko magpilit ng bike kasi dati marunong ako. Ngayon hindi na ako marunong. We're getting older. It's very silent. Ha? Ano mga plants? I don't know what kind of plant. I cannot see a dustbin here. Trash bin. That's why I'm still holding this. Very silent. Parang wala rin ako marinig na huni ng ibon. Parang mas marami pa dun sa sa botanic. Yung mga ibon ngayon, parang wala akong narinig. Hindi, walang mga ibon dito. I cannot hear the birds. And the butterflies. This fence, oo, kasi delikado. Oh, they put the fence here because it's going down, so it's dangerous. And dangerous, it's going to go down. You'll dive there. So must slow down. It's curved. Going down there. I feel the pain on my back already because I'm carrying things. No birds chirping. Nakiris na rain. It's windy. Trash here, trash. Sabi siya, there's a house there. Basurahan ba to? Why there's lock? Parang hindi man. Baka mailbox to. Kasi hindi siya ma-open yun. Ay.
Dan dami.
Ha? Ang ganito pala. Ay, God. That side. Oh. Nakakatawa. That one is the house. Oh. The old house. It's very scary here at night. Let's see. Just, I don't have trash anymore. I throw it. Di ba kasama natin yan kanina? I'm going cycling. The bike rent here is $40. And the new one. And I don't know how much is the old one. Yes. You walk already. I have already 4,626 steps. I'm doing 90 calories. Very silence. Green trees. Ayan o. Ayan, trees. Ganda. Hot already. I perspire already. So already. We just eat our lunch. Later I hungry again. Ha? Parang dun yung Shetty. Yung ano eh. Yung sakayan. We're here again. Jalan Batu Ubin.
Ba't nandiyan na tayo?
Ha? Hindi pa, balik na nga lang tayo dito.
Agad-agad, anong oras pa?
Hindi, malayo pa yan. Dito sila, di ba? Dito daw sila. Dito sila sa Pukahin. Ayan. So windy.
So,
Kasi nag-stop yung mga tao dito dahil nag-stop yung mga tao kasi meron dito. Meron doon, tsaka meron doon. So, drink stall ahead. Oy, drink stall ahead. Pukail out. Pukail. And go here. Because our friends was there. Pukail. Going there. Going down.
To Bangalore.
Inside the bushes.
Yeah, of course. Airbus.
Drinks ahead. Buko juice. Ang daming kahoy yun. Panggatong.
pero hindi na magbunga.
Oh.
Durian. Parang siyang durian.
Oh, ganyan pala.
Ganyan yung ano, yung durian, pa-straight siya, tapos yung ano niya.
I see.
Oh, meron na dito, ano, parang lake. Oh. Kagabi, ang lalim ng tubig ko, di ba nakikita? No? The water is like orange. The soil is like orange color. Oh. Drainage, ano pala dito? Marami sila. Yes.
Yung flag nila, no?
Ito right dito. Ang bata. Parang gusto ko na mag-wear ng jacket para mainit na. Ganda ng ano, bulaklak yellow. Yellow. Ay, yellow. And then the other one is pink. Wala. Galing naman. The other one is pink. See, this is yellow. What kind of tree? The leaves are very big. They have yellow color and marami dito yung nag-hike. We're in Pulau Ubin Island near Singapore. We do hiking today, Chinese New Year, but we have on public holiday. Pagod na ko, karga ng pagod. Tataas ng mga puno. Ipay natin. Tapos merong lake. Merong lake. Tahimik na dito, lamig na ulit. Lamig na ulit ng hangin kasi ano, yung puno. Meron ulit bahay dun sa taas. Meron bahay dun sa taas. Like in the province.
Wala siyang province, pero na-abandon ano.
Layo ng mga bahay na nakatakot ng paggabi. Pero may ano siya, may bakod. Hindi siyang bakod.
Abandon island.
Parang panahon yata ito na kami.
Panahon pa yata ito na.
Panahon na. Saan kaya yung entrance sa akyatan ito? On the other side. Wala siyang daanan papasok. Sa bahay. Yun yung bahay. Pero wala siyang tahimik dito. Sarap mamuhay dito. Kaya lang wala ka namang taniman ng palay. Doon pa rin sila pumupunta sa sa syudad. Lamig-lamig ng hangin. Tayo nilalakad. Lakad-lakad lang. Hello. Hello friends, what happened to your arms?
What happened?
What happened to your arms? Parang hindi niya mababa yung isa niyang kamay.
Hey, hey! Yan, kapar lang.
Because you have orange, he's hungry. She wants to eat some food. She wants to ask for food. They don't want to. Maybe she's hungry. Kita mo kilala nila yung fruits, di ba? Kilala nila. Siya lang mag-isa. Buti siya lang mag-isa. Ay kung marami yan. Gagawin talaga niya. Nagbabantay sila ng mga Ano mga crab dito? Bakit kaya lalim-lalim ng mga parts na? Talagang hinahukay kaya yan? Ha? O ganyan lang talaga siya? Kasi parang may punch siya na ano. Saan tayo?
ওই রাস্তা আর এই চৌরাস্তা হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আমরা বেহারি বাড়ি থেকে মনে করেন শুরু করে চৌরাস্তা মানে এই রাস্তা এডু হয় এডু জায়গা হ্যাঁ এডু জায়গা এই আছে তো কম হইব আমাকে ওটা তো পশ্চিম পূর্ব কত জায়গা এই আছে তো কম জায়গা হ্যাঁ মাসিন হ্যাঁ মাসিন ভাই কি কথা ঠিক আছে ওই যা ওই সামনে ওই জায়গা বইবো এখানে ফলো করব আমি কই নাই মানে এই তো হাত এই জায়গা ও তো বেসলো নাকি আও তার কোন খানা ও খেলা লাগবে এই পানিগুলো গেলে দিছো
Yun, there's the drum. May drum pa siya. May drum dyan sa loob. Ha? Rest, okay. Oh. Oh. You see, there's a drink stall. There's a drink stall. If you want to drink, you're tired of cycling, you can stop here and drink cold water or coconut. Oh, dito yung ano, yung tubig. Dito pala siya nag-ano, no?
Meron siya ng watermelon.
Oh, dito siya nag-
これが14
Tab na to. Tab na to. Ano kaya to dito? Meron siyang daanan pero ano? Si Arma. Si Arma. Tapos dyan na sa ano. High tide. Tingnan mo yung tubig. Yung tubig oh. Ikot-ikot siya. High tide. Jalan. Yan, Cherotong, Ang sarap ng hangin. Inhale. High tide already, you see? You see, high tide already. And the water here. The water is here.
看啥呢？
看鱼
May fish ba siya?
Meron yata. Ice cream.
Tara.
அண்ணே தண்ணி ஓடுற தண்ணியில் வந்து மீன் பிடிக்கும்
Ano to? Jalan, ano to? Jalan, we're going to meet our friends on the other side. Punta kami doon sa temple. Hiking to the max. Green. Rough already. Lucky there's no rain. just cloudy day, you see, going up. This is my day, going hiking. I'll see what is in here. Nobody is around. We are at the island in Singapore. I can hear the wind, the strong wind. All green, green. It's going down. It's very, very high. Oh, there's water there. There's water. I'm going up here. I will show you the nice view because they told us that this is the nice view here.